Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB, and I am so glad that you are here for hashtag Gely Postcard Play. And this is day 3, so I'm pretty sure y'all are super excited. I've already started watching some of the videos that people have been posting, and I gotta say, it seems like everybody's about on the same boat as I am. Basically just kind of doing our own thing, which is the whole point of the challenge, right? It's just to have fun and to play. So let's pick out the postcard that I'm going to be using for today, which I already kind of have an idea of what I want to do with it. This one's going to be a little more about florals and color for sure. So let's find something that is close to that. So, ooh, this one could be nice. Or even this one, because it's kind of, you know, I think I'm going to use a couple of these, one of these honeycomb ones, because I think that is what I want to use for this one. Yeah, we won't use the trees. Okay, so I think we've got it narrowed down for now. Let's go with this one, because we can actually build up on this. I kind of already got some stuff picked out that I kind of want to use. I got my 3 and my little July thing, since I kind of started with that. July and my 3. And I saw this flower. I thought it was really cute. And we got a few other little elements here. This one could be nice. I think it's upside down. There we go. Maybe we can use a combination of this. So I'm going to cut around this a little closer just to kind of, you know, make it not a square, right? So I'm going to do that. So yeah, in case you haven't seen any of the other videos, I'm just going to let y'all know real quick. I kind of imposed a rule on myself that I'm going to try to do kind of like summery happy stuff. Since we are doing this in July, I kind of wanted to do things that reminded me of summer, of happy times, you know, because a lot of the stuff that I tend to do tends to be a little devoid of color, I guess. I mean, I lean towards the darker type stuff. Usually it kind of comes out kind of depressing. I mean, not depressing, but I think you know what I mean. Maybe. But it's not bright, in my opinion. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to be doing with this, is just kind of adding some happy elements to it. Well, that could be interesting. I do want to add some extra stamping in the background. I've already made some of my homemade stamps here. Once again, just, you know, from craft foam and chipboard. And yeah, I did this line one because I thought that would be neat. And that came off, but that's okay. And then I did one with some hot glue, and I just put it on top of the chipboard. So I just kind of did some weird, kind of funky design on there. I thought this was funny. It says, "Never trust a skinny Italian chef." But I don't know if I'll use it. I just thought it was funny. And maybe, let's see. I don't want to go too crazy with the backgrounds, but I really want to use this for sure. And you know what? I want to use it, but I don't know if that's going to do it. Let's leave that there for now. I have some extra kind of painty papers that I made, because I think, let me look at this real quick. This could look cute, this bicycle. You know what, let's add this, why not? Should add some of those, but I'm not going to. I'm going to try not to go too overboard with it. Here's a little something that I made. Maybe we can add that on top. I'm just rummaging through some of my papers here. Maybe we'll use just a little bit of this as kind of an extra element to the background. And in case you're wondering, this is actually wax paper. You know, the kind that you use for, like, in the kitchen. Yeah. So we got a few elements here. This is going to go on top. This is going to go in the back somehow. We're just going to kind of pop that there. And then I'm going to find a word or something to put over it. And yeah, set those aside. So I'm going to work further on this background by adding some of my homemade stamps to it and another color. Let's actually add my favorite blue. I've been gravitating towards this a lot. So, or even add some metallic on top of it as well. So let's do that. Hopefully my paint doesn't dry too fast, because it is very hot and dry. And we're just going to pop a good amount on there. Hopefully it doesn't dry quickly, because we need a good coating here. And let's just add some of these. Plus this is going to make a good background. There we go. Oh, that's going to look neat. Okay, so I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to leave it alone now, and I'm going to get my elements together here, because I like this, but I'm going to cut this, and we're just going to pop it right in here, and then we're going to have this. It's going to have a lot of stuff going over the top of it. So yeah, that's going to work. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna move this out just a little bit. I'm just trying to get an idea of how I want it. So these need to go down first, and I'm just going to use some glue stick for this because it's going to be a little faster. So let's pop this one down first. Okay, and then we'll wait to add that after we add our little bicycle here, or bicycle. I don't know why I like saying it like that, but I do. And for this, we're going to use our Better Paper Adhesive, or our perfect paper adhesive. Sorry. I'm just going to utilize this. I just put it over my gel plate here, so that way I have a spot to utilize it for. And we're just going to pop some of this right on top, maybe. Seems that it got a little clogged. Okay, so paintbrush is wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush over. I'm going to be a little risky today and just brush the back of this. And I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure because I don't want it to rip. If I do that, I also don't want it to get too floppy on me. And then I'm going to put a little bit on here. Let's hope we get it all nice and coated. And we're going to lift this up. Oh gosh. This is always the hard part here, is getting it where you want it. There we go. Just kind of lift that up. Oh, that looks neat. Okay, I'm just going to go grab a little bit of water. Yeah, this one looks much better than the other one. It actually kind of melded more into the background than I think it was the first one that I did. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I love it. My. Okay, so now, since I have all of this, I'm just going to go over everything real quick. And then this, we're going to pop right there. And we'll go ahead and use this as an adhesive, since we got it already. There we go. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so I'm going to find a word for this. Okay, so all I'm going to do right here is I am going to go ahead and add our little background for our postcard. And I don't have a stamp or anything, so we're just doing this by hand. It's going to be crooked, but that's okay. That's how we know it's handmade, right? Things aren't perfect. You know how on some of those postage cards that you see, and it has like the red and the blue and the white, those strips on the side? That's what I'm going to do. Draw our little border here. Now these long lines are the hardest. But yeah, I kind of want it looking real organic. There we go. For some reason, these little lines in the corners just look like so cute when you put them. I think I'm going to use some alcohol markers for this. Now, I'm not real sure how it goes, so we're just going to go through and kind of, I think they're usually like at an angle. It's very rare that you ever get like some sort of gray color in these. I guess we'll do maybe this copper color. I'm actually gonna do a quick test here. What is this copper color? Looks closer to what I want. It just seems real busy. I probably should have done a different background for this. I was going to use this, but I wound up not putting it on, so we'll put that back over there. But here's number 3. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I kind of regret using this floral type thing behind there, and I think it would have looked nicer if I would have just done like a plain something and then put the bike on there and the butterfly and stuff. But you know what? It's not too bad. Transformed it from what it was, that's for sure. And there is the back of my postcard. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I am gonna bring in the other ones that I have completed. Okay, so here they are all together. So wow. And then the backs of these. Yeah, I like it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that if you are participating in this Gely Postcard Play Challenge, I hope that you guys are doing very well with it, or you're actually enjoying it. Let me know in the comments down below if you are participating, and I will head to your channel and check out what you're doing. And yeah, maybe we can, you know, exchange some stuff or watch each other's videos, support each other. That would be great. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.